Hello, daughter of the country sector. Welcome again to our class. In this class, we will learn how to configure email in the central monitoring software to send this email directly to users as a directorate. It is another department that should have this information. So, although the part there from the PC to be able to see in practice, how does this work? Look at the screen of our PC as always. The word easy and user very quickly. Once you are here in the App Central, let's go to settings. Let's go to settings. Here in settings, let's go to system. Let's go to system. In system, let's go here to email. Yeah, email. First, let's go to email. Settings, so we can configure the email server. We already know what the email server is. It's that email we configured to have the AP password. We have here the email settings. We already have the email configured here, but let's start from scratch. Don't worry. You need to activate this. And the protocol we will use is STLS. The email that we prepared, this email here is here, which we saw together at the beginning of the lessons. I will copy it to you in the middle of a jump. The other is an assign a name. For example, office, dream of hers. She had the name here. The SMTP server address is the same as the Gmail server. Here is, this foot provides or essential support, the SMTP server port for TLS, which is 587. Here again, the email that we configured here, and the password will always be this password, and the password for application configuration of this email. Let's copy. Let's paste. Then we will successfully save. The operation perform a test. Just save a little bit. The operation also concludes successfully and sends us an email. And let's go to the email to see if it posts here to be a test for an hour. Okay. Perfect. Everything is all set here. What happens after configuring my email server? Let's predefine the email here. There are three options here. Where? Email template for scheduled report. Here, email template for events and alarms, and email template for notifications. This notification template is for things that happen in real time. We can set an alert there. Or the hard drive had a problem. Send an email directly. Income disconnection. Send an email directly. This is very good. But to avoid it being a lesson, we will go to, and the event email template is the event email template. We can create our own emails, right? For example, I will delete this one. I will delete this one. We can see here, add. Here, add to change the name, right? For example, email. Let's write here indeed, director. Then general director here, the email. By adding from the user or directly adding user email, they are twice in the system. Choose, for example, it was civilly added. For example, add the email here, right? We added another email, okay?